If you've been watching my videos, you probably noticed this is a new backdrop. That's because I've moved. I had a big house in the Cinco de Diciembre neighborhood of Puerto Vallarta, which I really liked, but it was way more space than I needed, and it was costing me a lot. So I decided to find an apartment in the Zona Romantica, and I was very lucky. I found a very affordable one, and it's really close to my studio, and that's where that's where this is happening right now. That's the new backdrop. This is my studio at Culture in Puerto Vallarta. And this is where I'm going to be doing my videos from now on. So today I'm doing a small acrylic sketch of a young Brazilian guy in a tropical garden. This is the image I'm going to be working from. And this is the same image tweaked in Photoshop. And if you've been watching my videos, you know that I almost always do this. I prep the photograph in Photoshop to make it easier to work from. And this involves a couple of tweaks. One is the median filter, which gets rid of detail, but keeps the edges fairly intact. And the other is posterize, which reduces the number of colors drastically. And that also then makes the areas of color really clear to see. So these tweaks make it a lot easier to work from the image as I'm painting. And if you want to know more about how I do this exactly, there's a video on this channel. What's it called? Using Photoshop to make photos easier to paint from. Something like that. Anyway, I'll put a link to it in the description. So as I said, this is going to be a small acrylic sketch on watercolor paper. So I first sketch out the image in pencil on a sheet of 11 by 14 Fabriano watercolor paper. This is with a smooth finish. That's what I like to paint on. And once I've got the pencil sketched the way I want it, then I use masking tape to mask off the image and also to tape the paper in place so it doesn't move around. And then I cover the whole thing with an acrylic wash. And while that's drying, I start mixing the colors I'm going to need to start painting. As you can see, there are already plenty of colors on the palette. Those are leftover paints from the previous day's session. I will use whatever of those that I can, and anything I don't have, I will mix as I go along. Okay, so about those two images I'm gonna be working from, the original and the tweaked. I'm going to work from both of those as I paint, but I try to discipline myself not to look at the original detailed version unless it's absolutely necessary. I'm mostly just referring to the tweaked image with less detail. So I'll put both images up on the screen as I'm painting so that you can get a sense of what it's like to have both of them up there to refer to as the painting is progressing. Okay, let's paint. This acrylic sketch is called Paulinho by the Pool.